Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Hot days need a cool treat, and this popsicle maker makes it so easy. You get 10 silicone molds, 10 reusable sticks plus 50 wooden sticks, 50 bags, a funnel, a cleaning brush, and even a recipe to help you get started. Just pour in juice, yogurt, or your favorite mix, freeze it, and enjoy homemade popsicles anytime. The soft silicone makes it easy to take them out without breaking. If you want a fun and simple way to make healthy frozen snacks at home, check out this popsicle maker from Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Stop scrolling if you love healthy snacks. This is a food dehydrator and it's a game changer. Dry fruits, veggies, herbs, or make your own jerky right at home. It has simple temperature control so anyone can use it. It comes with 5 trays, all BPA free and dishwasher safe. No mess, no hassle. If you want snacks without sugar or chemicals, this is for you. Links for Amazon and AliExpress are both in the description. Go grab yours now. Have you ever wanted fresh s'mores without going outside? This tabletop electric s'mores maker makes it easy. It uses safe, flameless heat to roast marshmallows right at your table. You also get 4 removable trays for crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows, plus 4 roasting forks so everyone can join in. It's perfect for family nights, parties, or cozy evenings at home. If you want to make fun and tasty treats anytime, check out this s'mores maker on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Make cooking easier with this smart cutting board. The folding legs let you cut food right into a bowl, saving time and keeping your kitchen clean. It also has a non-slip design for safe use. Check it out on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Grating food is faster with this rotary cheese grater. Just turn the handle to shred fresh cheese, vegetables, or nuts in seconds. It comes with 3 blades for different cuts, and the strong suction base keeps it steady while you use it. It's simple, quick, and easy to clean. Check it out on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. If you cook with garlic, this garlic press set can save you time. Just place the garlic inside and squeeze the handle for fresh minced garlic in seconds. The soft handle is easy to hold and the rust-proof design is made to last. It also comes with a silicone garlic peeler and a cleaning brush, so prep and cleanup are quick and easy. Check out this garlic press set on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Making stuffed cakes and pastries is much easier with this stuffing separator. It helps you fill the same amount every time so your food looks neat and cooks evenly. It works well for bean paste, fruit filling, and other soft fillings. It saves time, reduces mess, and makes home baking more fun. If you enjoy making homemade treats, check out this stuffing separator on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Love making burgers at home? This adjustable burger press makes it quick and easy. You can make thick or thin burger patties with the size you want every time. Just add the meat, press, and your burger is ready to cook. It helps you make neat, even burgers with less mess. If you want better homemade burgers, check out this burger press on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Want to enjoy restaurant-style hot pot at home? This 4-liter electric hot pot makes it easy and fun. The built-in divider lets you cook 2 different broths at the same time, so everyone can enjoy their favorite flavor. It has different power settings for fast and easy cooking, and the removable non-stick pot makes cleaning simple. It's perfect for family dinners, parties, or cozy weekends. Check out this electric hot pot on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Making stuffed tortillas has never been easier. Just add your favorite filling, press with this large tortilla sealer, and you get a perfect seal in seconds. It saves time, keeps the filling inside, and helps you make neat homemade snacks with less effort. Check out this large tortilla sealer on Amazon or AliExpress using the link below. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.